Close your eyes. Try to imagine a new color. You can't. Not a single human in history ever has. We can imagine dragons, aliens, and time travel, but a color that doesn't exist, our brains literally blue screen. This isn't a lack of creativity. This is a biological cage we don't even know we're in, and today, we're gonna crack it open. By the end of this video, you'll understand the two terrifying reasons. Why does your imagination have this one bizarre blind spot? So, why? Well, scientists have two guesses, and honestly, they're both kind of terrifying. Option 1. Your eyes are lying to you. They only have 3 sensors, red, green, and blue cones. That's it. Every color you've ever seen is just a remix. You can mix red and green to get yellow, blue and red to get purple, but there's no sensor for ultra magenta or neon turquoise. That doesn't exist. So your brain literally has no signal to work with. If the eye doesn't detect it, the mind can invent it. And here's the proof that this is a hardware problem. The animal kingdom. The mantis shrimp has 16 different color receptors. It sees a universe of color we can't dream of. A butterfly sees ultraviolet patterns on a flower that to us is just yellow. But that butterfly can't imagine our red any more than we can imagine its extra dimension of color. We're all trapped by our hardware, living in different sensory worlds. Option 2 is even weirder. Maybe your brain could imagine a new color, but it refuses to. Think about it. Your conscious experience of colors is just a story your brain tells based on past input. Without new input, you're stuck in the same story. It's like trying to write a sequel to a movie you've never seen. Your brain can remix, combine, exaggerate, but it can't invent something completely outside its wiring. But here's where it gets completely insane. There is an experiment where scientists try to hack the system. They show you opposing colors like red and green in a specific flashing pattern, and for a split second, some people's brains glitch. They report seeing a color that feels neither, a forbidden color. But does that count as a new color? Or is it just your brain lying? Making something up because it has no sense of conflicting signals? The truth is, we can't imagine a new color because our eyes set the rules, and our brains follow them. Every color we see, dream of, or imagine is just a remix. We literally can't see colors beyond our eyes' limits. It's like plopping a camera in a box and trying to record the outside of it. It's impossible. So, next time you stare at the sunset, don't just think about the colors you see. Think about the mantis shrimp in its kaleidoscopic reef, and a European starling in its 4 spectrums of light. They all see a different world, but they are just as blind to yours. The impossible color isn't out there. The real miracle is that you can see color at all.